Hello and welcome to SafeKey. I'd like to demonstrate for you today the functionality of our SafeKey system. The SafeKey is an interlocking system for alcohol or impaired driving. Our goal is to help try to keep people off of our streets who have been impaired prior to getting behind the wheel of a car. So our SafeKey system has already been installed in this vehicle. And what that means is the traditional ignition system has been bypassed by our technology. So if you try to start the car, it no longer functions anymore normally. The SafeKey system has a remote fob that has a series of flashing lights for hand-eye coordination. And it's been designed by a number of doctors that actually invented and designed this system. We have a key fob. And the key fob has a series of flashing lights once initiated, a series of 7 flashing lights that I must respond to in the appropriate amount of time. It's an eye-hand coordination test, skill test. And if I'm impaired in any way, I'll fail the test and ultimately I can't start my vehicle. I'll only have 3 chances to do this. So if I make a mistake the first time or even the second time, it's giving me the opportunity to take it again. But after 3 failures, the system will lock out for an entire hour until it resets again, and then I can give it a shot again. And this is how it works. To initiate the test, you hit the top test button and you respond to the flashing lights. And I successfully passed. It flashes green, which means that I have 10 seconds to start my vehicle. As you can see, it starts properly. The second to fail, let me demonstrate. You start the test, and of course if I get mixed up or maybe I'm somehow impaired, I could try to and I hit the wrong buttons and it blinks red. So as you can see, the system, it still does not work. There's 2 types of SafeKey products. There's the SafeKey 1, which is simply our Immobilizer. There's SafeKey 2, which is the same system, but it has a serial interface to a GPS tracking system. So all the functions that I'm doing, whether I pass or fail, are being transmitted like a cell phone. And what I just heard in my pocket is my cell phone, because I have this vehicle tied to my mobile phone, and you can see the message right here. And if I go into that text message, it's going to show me that I passed the test and at what time I actually passed it, and the exact address location of where I passed failed. Now, there's also an SOS feature in this. So whether I'm in this car or maybe even 100 feet from my car, I can hold down that center button and you can hear the ping just now coming over. So it automatically communicated to my car and sent an emergency SOS that I'm in danger to the server, and it sent the text message to my phone, and this would be in the hands of a parent or a manager. Thank you very much, and that's how SafeKey works. Have a safe drive.